guys, we are at Coach, y'all. I am looking at, first of all, let me grab my favorites. I'm looking at totes today. I need me a tote, and this one is perfect. This is the station tote, y'all. It has a zipper in the front. It also has a zipper in the top of the tote, which does that make it a tote? Or does it make it a shoulder bag? It has canvas inner lining. I don't think that this is a stiff bag to where once you take that pillow out, I do believe it's a wrap. I don't know if it's gonna wrap, collapse or not, or is it gonna stay structured? But it says it is a signature pebbled station tote. So there you have it. It is an actual tote, okay? But I just didn't think that totes had zippers. That is my number one pick. That particular embossed one, then this one. Love this bag. One of these bags came out with red trim with this. I think it was the city though. We'll get to the city in a moment. But right now, to me, the best bag that is a tote bag in the Coach empire is going to be the station. I just think this is the dopest bag. I don't too much care for it in this color, but it's gonna be 1, 2, and then 3, because this one's adorbs too. Adorbs. I love that color, and I love how that brown color is there. Super, super cute. Let me show you the bottom. The bottom has like a dark chocolate brown, but this one has black at the bottom. And then of course the embossed one is also black. Oh, let's see what this color is. Oh, I'm not into that one, but I do love this one too. Just a regular, what are they calling this, stone? It is dark stone, right? Dark stone. And then this one, they're all $179, but this one is probably chalk, right? And then that one's signature chalk. Let me see. It is chalk. I don't know. I might could use a chalk bag, tote bag. I love it though, whatever color it is. Now let me see. This should be gray at the bottom, but it's not. Ew, it's dirty. It's filthy. But this one is white chalk signature. Love it. Y'all let me know. Are y'all into the station, or are you just like city tote crazy? I'm just trying to steer from the city tote. I do love the city tote. Don't get me wrong. But I feel like if I was to get a tote, the first tote that I would automatically get would be the station tote, which is a beautiful bag. This one is just black. Now when it comes to it being black, it seems very boring. With just the solid ones, like I said, 1, 2, 3, and I'm done. Oh my goodness, y'all. The best tote, it even beats out the station. Now, I'm just talking about this one, okay? I saw a girl in my job with this. I said, you got the best tote from Coach, okay? This thick bubble embossed plushy type of tote. I love it. It's $279. This one's $250. I would never, because why be so small for $250? I don't know. But look at the small C's on the side. Y'all, this bag is everything. Now, I'm not talking about the rest of them. I'm not talking about the rest of them. For some reason, I know that y'all like them. Don't get me wrong. Please don't attack me. Please don't come jump on me. Don't do the Coach jump today. These seem cardboard to me. Oh, I'm so sorry. They just do. They seem like somebody put a cardboard box together and was like, girl. No, this right here is just everything. This one is everything. I love this bag. And I could do this one. I could dig this one too. I could dig this. And it got the feet. Y'all, fully stocked. Fully stocked. I don't know if it's online. If it's online, I'll tag it. But hey, ain't nothing wrong with calling the 813 number in Tampa, or calling the 800 number and say, hey, send me that tote. Now, I don't know the style number. I probably can't even see it. Let me see. Can anybody see the style number? I don't know. Is it 1100358 CJAX? I don't know what that say. But y'all, this is important. This one is very important. Now, I can't hold you. I do like the regular black one too. And I think I like it because of the innards. Y'all see that brown? That's giving cute. That's giving professional. That's giving I'm taking you to court. I'll see you in court. This is what this bag is giving you. I'll see you in court bag. I love it. This one's cute. Super cute. All the files, all the evidence. Try me if you want to, lady. You did it. And then this one just gives, it just gives light blue jeans with a white button up. And some boots the same color that are ankle boots. Cute, but I don't know. It's just something about this style. And then they went left with this one. Yeah, I'm sorry. This one's a no. This is an absolute no. I apologize. I can't do that one. But yes, I can definitely take you to court with the black one. And then with this one, y'all just gonna be loving on me. Because the girl at work, I'll just be like, man, I want that bag. I want that bag. It makes me want to come and grab it. I love this. They had a baby blue one too, but it's gone. But it was super, super cute. Y'all tell me what y'all think about the Maggie. Because my favorite is the Molly, but I feel like they getting rid of them because I ain't seen them in a minute. Listen, I thought this red tote was gonna eat. I thought y'all was gonna eat this right up off the shelves, and y'all did not. $189 for this. I think it was the Rowan that y'all just ran up out of here with. But I'm shocked that this bag didn't do it. Maybe it's because of the maroon enders. Why? Why did we go maroon? I don't know. But when it comes to this black one, this is another I'm gonna take you to court bag. It's the inside for me. Oh my goodness. So when it comes to the city tote, this is hands down the one that I need before the red one. The red one's cool, but it's 3 there for a reason, because y'all not feeling it for real. But the blacks, when it comes to the city tote, definitely the one. This signature one, when it comes to the city tote, definitely the 2. Definitely the 2. I'm gonna get a red one hard top 5. One of the, maybe it's number 4, because number 3 is right here. This is number 3. Now the inside of this one is brown. Okay, they could at least went gold or something. But that one's cool too. Y'all, let them come with an olive green, and this gonna smash all of these bags, in my opinion. Now, one thing that I never really pay attention to is their little organizer, but it's not giving organizer because there's no compartments for real. This is just the city inside of the city tote. I don't need this. That's crazy that they did that. I need them to, y'all need to look at the tote that, or the organizer that I have at the very, in the description. Sorry, dang, I can't talk. Now, I don't know how y'all feel about these little baby totes. To me, it's just small and aggravating, but it's kind of like the Empire. What is it? Empire 21 or is it Empire 19? When I saw it on this one lady's outfit, I thought it was very cute, because it definitely is part of the outfit. It's not a purse for real. But they have that in red too, y'all. But this one is also top 5. So I think this is number 5. Okay. Super cute. Super cute. So I'm going to go ahead and give this one 5 for $189. I'm going to give this one 4. I'm going to give this one 3. I'm going to give this one 2. And then we're going to go 1 right here. And that's it. Y'all tell me what y'all think. The top totes in Coach. Number 1 Coach tote would be Molly if it was still here. But guys, I really appreciate you for checking out my video and dealing with my shenanigans. And I hope that you guys have a beautiful day.